Not working. Turn.
Is this one just a full?
We'll do that.
What's it all? Yeah. Oh, you've got to peel that off. Yeah, no, you stick it in there. Oh, so I just stab it, okay. And turn it. Yeah. This way? Yeah, and then that the other. It's hard, isn't it? We'll speed it up. Let it go, okay, because I can edit it out. We'll edit it out. That's right. Yeah. Straight flat against it and turn. Yeah, that way. Is it that way though? Yeah, it is. That's right. Yeah. That was funny. Right, and this one. Have it recording again. There you go. Just don't video because you've got enough video of that bit. Just trust me. It's too... Wait, the other video we put... No. That's all. And then this for a bit. Okay, so figure out what it is. So, I'm going to do that. Yeah. Make sure it's exactly flat against it. If you hold... And then stick it through the 6 and turn it. What way? Yeah, no. It will, push it in. Oh, yeah. Got it. Keep going. It'll just whip through it, it's fine. That's going to be stuck. Oh, yeah, no. You said yeah! To the way you were going. That's it, that is it, the perfect angle. Well done. And then put it out without your toesies. Toesies! The big reveal. If it comes off. Yeah. It just got scratched. I'm going to try again. Okay. Right, unplug this in. Yeah. I'll speed up differently. No, plug these out. Okay. And then okay. Maybe got it. Then I'll turn it off so no one knows. Ready? And then I'll pull that. And pull that. This is 33 US. 33 US. 6.3 volts I need to read. Okay, hold on. And then figures, maybe put these ports in. You can speed it up, can't you? I might just cut this whole little bit out. Yeah, that's right. Right, and then we'll put all the thing back. Should we plug everything back into it? Should we just say it working? This one in there. Are you recording or not? Yeah, just wait.